Flippy. I rock to the hip and the hop. Miss Anderson would never ever get me to stop. Motor's not living in the lamp, man. But if there's a machine, he's the genius of the game. C-L-A-Y, kids. C-L-A-Y, Claykids. That's Carol. She's a brainy girl. She wants to erase all the pain in the world. Robbie like to mess with the other boys, but he's my bro. So please make noise. DJ Motor. Naomi got the best lipstick. She always wanna be the flyest kid. Jesse on the skates and he's sick with the tricks. Irregular statistic known as a misfit. My boy Albert, but you can call him Einstein. But he always stay on the sideline. C-L-A-Y, Claykids.
Final push, Flippy. I'ma go in on their left flank and pwn their commander.
10-4! Ha! All those people been calling us geeks? What are they gonna say now that we've unlocked super prestigious mode?
Probably that you're super prestigious geeks.
Final battle. Get ready.
Man, what do we do now? A-Motor, what's the plan?
Don't worry, I have a secret weapon.
Too bad it's a secret. It would sure come in handy now.
Pay close attention.
Fight! You win!
We did it! You're a machine, man.
Okay, I'll take that as a compliment.
Congratulations, guys. High five.
Dad, when are you gonna go see a doctor?
Don't worry. It's just a cold.
It's not a cold. Colds don't last a month.
I think what the doctor ordered is a game of Galaxy Troopers. Eh, boys?
You can't. You need a partner.
Yeah, you can only play in co-op mode.
We've told you hundreds of times.
Well, then, I guess I need to find someone to play with.
No, what you need is a doctor.
But I'm fine. Didn't you notice that I haven't sneezed all morning?
Problem is, he's scared of doctors.
But come on! Sneezing isn't really that bad, is it?
What Frank does isn't exactly sneezing.
It's more like something out of the X-Men.
And it's getting worse and worse. I need you to help me convince him to go see a doctor.
You want us to help? No way. This is your problem.
Yeah, he's your dad. Why should we help?
If he doesn't get better, we'll have to close the cafe.
No more Galaxy Troopers!
Exactly.
So, what can we do to make sure he doesn't close the... to make sure he gets better?
Flippy used to be afraid of doctors.
What?
You told me that when you were little, you didn't want to go see the doctor because you were scared.
Robbie!
So, how did you get over it?
I don't remember.
Come on, yes you do.
Come on, tell us.
Well, okay. My mom paid a doctor to dress up as Santa Claus, and he managed to examine me without me knowing he was a doctor. Stop it. I was just a kid.
Wait, that's silly, but it might just work with my dad.
Does your dad still believe in Santa?
No, I mean the general disguise idea.
We could ask the school doctor to do it.
Forget about it. Ed won't do a favor for anyone. There's a reason he doesn't have any friends. Look.
It doesn't matter. We have to try. I'm sure if we explain the situation politely, that he'll help us.
Not for all the money in the world.
Why not?
You want me to dress up? I'm not a clown. I'm a doctor, and a very qualified one at that.
Yeah, sure. That's why you work in the school clinic.
My father needs a doctor.
And I need a vacation. Now leave.
Let's go, Carol. He's hopeless.
Now I understand why he doesn't have any friends.
What did you say your father's name was?
Frank. His name is Frank.
Okay, Well, it just so happens that I'm not busy this evening, but I'm not promising anything.
Ooh, do you want us to help you with your disguise?
I have a Scottish gnome costume.
Don't worry about it. Years ago, I was asked to do the same thing. Someone paid me a fortune to dress up as Santa to examine their kid. He was such a chicken.
Where's Dr. Ed?
He must have chickened out.
Are you all right?
Of course I'm not all right. How could I be all right with the African bee plague going around?
What bee plague?
Haven't you heard? There are African bees all over.
I haven't seen any bees.
That's because African bees are invisible and silent.
Whoa.
It's true. My dad got stung yesterday.
Really?
Wait, don't move. There's one right there.
Oh, where? Get it off of me.
Hold still. It's on your back.
Don't let me die.
Just a second. Almost got it. Darn it. It got away. These invisible bees are just too hard to see.
Where did it go?
There.
Where?
In your mouth. Don't move. I'm going to try to kill it with this stick. Now tell it to go away in African.
How?
Say, Good. I think you scared it away.
Well played, Frank, dude. Victory dance.
Well, it's inconclusive. I'll have to give him a full body scan in my consulting room.
He won't go. He'll know you're a doctor.
Maybe we can get him to go there without suspecting anything.
How?
Carol, what does your father like more than anything?
Video games!
Okay.
Not another bee plague.
No, they went back to Africa. I've come for something else. I think I left a video game here.
Really? I haven't seen anything. Excuse me, what game was it?
It's called Ultimate Destruction, Part 4.
Ultimate Destruction 4? But that isn't even in stores yet.
I know, but I work as a video game tester, so I get copies before they hit the market.
You're a professional game tester?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Now I remember. I left it on my desk at home. Sorry.
Wait. I didn't introduce myself. I'm Frank.
Ed, nice to meet you.
So, what other games have you tested?
Oh, you know. Mario Battalion, John Sponge and the Philosophical Stone of Narnia, Pac-Man vs. Tetris, but Ultimate Destruction 4 is looking better than any of them.
Boy, I'd sure like to play that. But I guess I'll have to wait until it's released.
Well, I suppose you could come by my place and try it out.
Seriously?
I wouldn't usually offer, but you seem like a decent guy. Stop by this evening.
Oh, I will. Thank you.
Whoa, this guy's good.
Hurry up! Your dad'll be here soon.
Motor, how did you manage to get a copy of Ultimate Destruction 4?
I didn't. I just modified the menu screen of Ultimate Destruction 3. But Frank won't know the difference. As long as he can drive a space tank, he's happy.
Okay, he's here. Time for you guys to leave.
Ed, thanks.
Don't mention it.
Check your Claybook page. You've got 4 new friends.
Oh boy, this is so exciting. Can I sit down?
Professional gamers play standing up, Frank.
Really? I did not know that. Okay, here I go. Yeah! Ultimate Destruction 4! Whoa! I'm in a space tank! Booyah! In your enemy's face!
Lift the controller up. You'll get a better shot.
Like this?
Yeah, that's good. Perfect.
Yes! Honed again! Hey guys, room for more Galaxy Troopers in your squad?
Frank, we told you 1,000,000 times.
You can't play without a partner.
Oh, but I have one.
Shall we?
Go right, go right.
Ow, shoot him!
Dang, missed.
Hey, Dad. How's the sneezing?
Oh, it's gone. Ed recommended a remedy, and it worked.
That's great.
Yeah, so I didn't need to see a doctor after all.
Hey, guys.
All I needed was some advice from a friend.
Very happy I could help. Where should I send the bill?
Hey, we need to focus here. We're being overrun.
Squad destroyed.
Oops.
Start over.
See? This is why you should never play with grown-ups.
For real.